Welcome back to the Beautyistic channel. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for quick, hassle-free beauty solutions that give you professional results without the salon visit. Well, today I'm excited to introduce you to the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the Instinct shade, a light pink, squoval-shaped set that promises a flawless, glue-free manicure in just minutes. Now, I know many of us have tried press-on nails before, but Kiss has really upped the game with these. The new and improved adhesive formula ensures long-lasting wear, and with the Instinct set, you're getting a chic, natural nude that complements every look. But the big question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's dive into the details of what you're getting with the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani. This set comes with everything you need for a smooth DIY manicure: 30 press-on nails, a mini nail file, a prep pad, and a manicure stick. The nails are in a short squoval shape, which is perfect for those of us who prefer a more natural, comfortable fit. And the light pink color? It's a sophisticated nude that looks as if you just walked out of the salon with a fresh, bare but better look. One of the standout features here is the adhesive. No glue, no mess, just peel, press, and go. The new adhesive is designed to last up to 10 days, which is a pretty bold claim for press-on nails. Usually, I find that most press-ons lose their grip after a few days, but the Kiss imPRESS nails stayed put throughout my testing. I applied them in minutes, no need for any special tools or skills, and they didn't budge, even with daily wear. The adhesive is strong enough to keep the nails securely in place, but at the same time, it's gentle enough to remove without causing any damage to your natural nails. Now, I have to admit, when it comes to press-on nails, I've seen my fair share of hits and misses, so I wanted to put these to the real-world test. I wore them through a few busy days, handling my daily tasks, doing dishes, and even typing away at my keyboard. These nails didn't chip, crack, or lift at all. Honestly, I was impressed by how seamless the application process was. No dry time, no mess, just beautiful, even nails. When it comes to comfort, these nails feel just like gel nails. The fit is snug, and there's no bulky feeling, which is a common issue with some press-on sets. The nails are lightweight, and they don't feel restrictive, making them perfect for anyone who wants a stress-free, no-maintenance mani. But no product is without its flaws. One downside I noticed is that the selection of sizes could be a bit more varied. While they fit most nails well, those with particularly small or large nails might find it tricky to get the perfect fit. That said, the set does come with 30 nails, which gives you a good number of options to work with. So, are they worth the money? If you're looking for a quick, no-fuss way to achieve a polished, salon-quality manicure at home, I'd say yes. The quality of these press-ons is impressive, and for the price, you're getting an all-in-one kit that's easy to use, durable, and versatile. However, if you're someone who prefers longer nails or needs a custom fit, you might want to consider some other options. Now, there are other press-on nails out there, but Kiss has really nailed it with their no-glue formula and the ability to deliver a look that's as natural as it is polished. Compared to other brands, these nails stand out for their secure adhesive and the convenience factor. No glue, no drying time, just perfect nails in minutes. When it comes to build quality, the materials feel solid. The packaging is compact, and I love that it includes everything you need for application. Plus, the longevity of the nails is great for those who need something reliable for a week or more. I didn't experience any lifting or peeling, and when it was time to remove them, they came off easily without causing any damage to my nails. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interaction with the brand, but I've heard good things about Kiss in terms of their responsive customer service and product quality. The brand has a reputation for delivering on its promises, and it shows here with the imPRESS No Glue Mani. If you're looking for alternatives, there are certainly other press-on nail brands out there, but what sets Kiss apart is the strength of the adhesive and the fact that it requires no glue. If you're someone who likes the idea of press-ons but hates the mess, this is the way to go. In conclusion, the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in Instinct are a solid choice if you want a quick, comfortable, and long-lasting manicure. They live up to their claims of being easy to apply, durable, and super convenient for busy days when you need a polished look with zero fuss. I would recommend these to anyone looking for an effortless, natural look without the need for salon visits. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you've tried these press-on nails, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.